Hey, what's up everyone? Garrett here from Code the Web, and I just wanted to share with you guys a resource that I use all the time, whether it be for my personal websites that I'm doing or personal projects or things for clients or just friends in general. It's called GTmetrix, and what it basically does is takes your website, analyzes it, and tells you if the performance is not good and slow. It tells you why it's slow, and if it's good, then it just tells you everything's okay. So let's take a look. We're going to be using my personal website, garrettlove.com, for this. And what it's going to do is it's going to start scanning your website. There's 5 steps. It usually doesn't take that long, although it kind of depends on your website. See, if your website is very slow, then I've had this actually take as long as 20 seconds before. But if your website is fast, like mine is right now, then obviously it goes pretty quickly. Now, the reason that it's so fast is because if you guys remember when we did this tutorial with the sticky thing, that's pretty much all that's on my website. So there's really nothing else for it to take a long time and load with. So that's probably why it only took 0.2 seconds for the website to load. So let me just walk you through what's going on here. This top part right here, we've got 5 different things going on. We've got the page speed score, which is how fast it is, and then we've got the why slow score, which is also with the performance and speed. And then we've got the page load time, the size of the page, and the number of requests that your page or your website made to the server. Next, down here, we actually have all of these different categories of things that could go wrong or could be good, and it kind of just tells you if they're good or bad. So, for example, I actually only have 3 things that are really bad here. And what's really cool is that if you go to this and you want to learn more about what that is, right, you hit what is this? And it kind of has this little window that pops up that kind of tells you what it is, and then you can even hit learn more or read more. And that was probably a really bad example because it didn't actually have anything. But if we go here, you hit read more, and it kind of takes you to this whole article on how to improve that specific section. And I've actually used this tons of times and read through those articles, and they really do help. I've actually gotten my website up to like 99% on both of these things before. Next, we have this. So this is for the page speed, which is this tab right here, this category. And we have the why slow, which is right there. And there's just more things that could go wrong or could be good, whatever. This is the actual breakdown of what's taking what amount of time to load. And then I'm not really sure what these 2 things are, but actually this, I believe this is for other checks or something like that. So yeah, pretty much that's it. GTmetrix, link will be in the description, gtmetrix.com. Definitely go check that out. I use it all the time personally, and I think you guys could be able to use that and find it helpful.